The scriptures you just heard said the woman who suffered for 18 years had a spirit of infirmity that prevent her from walking properly. The scriptures revealed the woman's condition was due to an evil spirit. Although the woman could not see the spirit of infirmity, the evil spirit was present in her life, tormenting her. Israelites, it is important to focus on the unseen. The next time the doctors say you have high blood pressure or any other disease, rebuke the spirit of infirmity that is plaguing your body in the form of high blood pressure or the other ways it manifests itself in your life. We must have a mindset that will lead us to cast out devils instead of treating symptoms. By the way, your family medical history reveals generational curses in the form of infirmity. You need to know this to properly treat your conditions. Protesting is not preventing evil spirits from tormenting you. That is why we do not wrestle with flesh and blood. The scriptures made it clear that our warfare is not carnal.